Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I know it's a really long time when I've spoken to you like this. I was just working on some of my YouTube work and and how to get the best out of my equipment. So yeah, so this is the new microphone that I've put in on top of the phone so that it works fine. And yeah, so if you've seen the news nowadays, so there have been some quite good earphones and headphones out in the market. So I actually got tempted to buy one of the popular ones, that is the OnePlus Z wireless Bluetooth earphones. And so yeah, in this video I'll unbox this one, and I'll use it for around a day or two. That's continuous usage with my phone and with my TV as well, so that I get experience of using it in different equipment. And probably in the next video I'll showcase it against the its popular competitor, the Realme Buds Wireless by yeah, this is tuned by Alan Walker. So this is the earphones that is actually in close competition to this OnePlus Z. So yeah, in the next video I'll showcase the differences between them, and stay tuned. So yeah guys, here's the OnePlus Z wireless Bluetooth earphones. Yeah, OnePlus Blue Bullets Wireless Z. It's a mouthful. Yeah, OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. But yeah, don't worry. Before opening this one, I've sanitized my hands using this sanitizer as well. So yeah, let's be safe. It's Corona time. So yeah, unboxing is a little tricky in this one because I have to insert the hands like this and get it out. So yeah, it's finally out. You see just the design, and these are actually the circle ones. This one is the Bluetooth earphone, and it's a nice tab to get it out. So yeah, this is the earphone, and since I've been using the Realme thing that's there, so the first thing when I open it out, I'll be judging. So see, this one is quite flexible. As you see, this one is quite flexible, but the Realme ones are not. So it's totally rigid. So it's like that. So yeah, we'll talk about that in some later video. And comparing the quality as well, if you see, the main thing which I like is this thing, because it's so seamless. And this is the button where you can switch to two devices. Switch from one device to another. This is the play pause button, play pause, volume up and down, and these one are the main game of the show. So yeah, we'll just keep them aside so that we can see what else is in the box. And this thing seems empty, it's just thermocol. Okay, and the quality is pretty nice because it's all in matte finish and in red color, because usually OnePlus things come in red color thing. So yeah, and if we open it, what else do we have? Some paperwork. Yeah, these are the relevant paperwork things, which I am not interested. And this way we have another box. Oh yeah, the charging cable. This is quite small and very delicate. Still, I am just gonna save it for some other time, because I have these ones. These are the original OnePlus ones which I purchased later on. So yeah, for the time being I'll just put them for charging, and once it's all done, I'll see, this one clicks in immediately, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I'll just leave it for charging for some time, and I'll kind of review it once it's all done. So yeah. It's around 2 o'clock in the night, and I've been testing these earphones for quite a long time. That is the OnePlus Z wireless Bluetooth, this thing. And yeah, so I have made some conclusions, because I've not only used these earphones with my phone but on my TV as well. So so that I get different type of audio experiences from the earphones. And yeah, what I can tell is, usually earphones have any one kind of characteristic, that maybe maybe they're lows or mids or highs. Any in these three, any one of them could be better. But in these earphones, the OnePlus Z Bluetooth wireless earphones, so we see that the lows are pretty good, mids are average. I would give them around 70 to 75% of their quality, but these shine in the department of bass, because the highs and bass are little best for this particular earphone, because it derives it mainly, the characteristics are derived from the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 earphones. So these are very good suited for the high bass situations. So yeah, the mids are pretty good, but then the bass is where these earphones shine, and these come for just 2000 rupees, and that is a pretty good feature, because seeing the main features of these, first thing we get the OnePlus warp charging feature. So I know most of you wouldn't be using OnePlus phones, and if you're using, that'll be good. But then in case you're not using, they give a small provided wire as well, as I showed you in this box, so you can use that wire as well. And not only that, we have a button here where you just double click, and it gets connected to any other device that is already paired with it. So I did the testing. What I did is I connected the earphones to my this phone which I'm recording, and in between I switched it to my TV, and that's my TV. So what I did is I just tried to just double press this button which is there on the collar base. So I would say within 5 seconds it got disconnected from my phone and connected to the TV. And even when I was seeing the TV, so I tried it with YouTube on both the devices, and what I did is I was playing the video on the TV. As soon as I double pressed on this button, the switch button, so it disconnected from that device, paused the video. That is very good feature. Paused the video, and after that it connected to my phone, and it continued from there on. Yeah. So that is my review about the OnePlus earphones, and I highly suggest that you go ahead and purchase it. I do not have any Amazon affiliate links which I could leave, but then you could surely use the Amazon website to go ahead and make the purchase. But nowadays the black color is not quite frequently available in stock, but still I would suggest to wait for the black color one, because they have a bluish kind of a tinge color that may be a turquoise. Apart from that, they have a white one. So the white one also looks good, but it if you see that in the photos of Amazon, so it looks like the standard set of earphones that you get from the older phones, the small the olden type device phones, so those kind of things. So yeah, I would not suggest go ahead for the white one. If you can wait, I would suggest the black one, or else you can go ahead and go for the turquoise one. So yeah, that's it for today, and I've been experimenting with my lighting, as you can see, and these are the blue color lights. I just hung them up on the curtain. That's a blue LED strip light, and that's for the backdrop. And for the front, as you can see, this particular light which you are seeing. Since I'm not Peter McKinnon to have such big lights, so what I've done is I've put in white color lights on my TV so that I can use it as a backdrop. Yeah, having the remote in my hand so that I can do anything from here, just for seeing. See that's the ring light, and this is the table that I'm using. So this is an IKEA table. It's a pretty good one, and I suggest you go ahead and buy it. Maybe it's for 800 bucks or something, but very reliable. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you like this video. And in case you really like this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can post more videos here on. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be mostly tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll be posting the differences between these OnePlus Z and the Realme Buds Wireless. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well, and I would be reviewing some of the good kind of earphones that I have, and even some of the products that I have, and even if possible this microphone as well, because that's a very good thing that I have. So yeah, stay tuned, see you later, bye bye. As always, gotta hit the mic.